Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful blanket pattern with bouquet flower, rose bouquet flower. I will show you in this video. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. For more detail and sizes visit my website, link in the description box. Let us start. A rose bouquet blanket, most trending pattern. You can make it smaller or bigger, a table mat or placemat. Beautiful design with bouquet flower. Let us start. For this blanket table mat, I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool. Medium weight 4-ply wool, half white color, green color and red color. 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. 3.5 millimeter crochet hook I am using. In step I will show you size of the blanket, table mat or placemat. Make a loop, make a chain 4 slip stitch in the first chain or make a magic circle. I am making a magic circle, 2 chains, and in the circle making a double crochet, 1 double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. Continue and make double crochet 12 in the circle, double crochet 12 in the circle. 11 and 12. I have 12 double crochet stitches. Skip these 2 chain in the first double crochet, make a slip stitch. Now from row 2 we are making the increasing row. 2 chains we don't count in the same stitch, make a double crochet 2, make chain 1 and double crochet 2 in the next stitch. Repeat the pattern, chain 1 and double crochet 2 in the next double crochet stitch, chain 1, double crochet 2 in the next double crochet stitch. Continue and follow the same work around, slip stitch in the first double crochet. In row 2 chain 1, in the last stitch double crochet 2. Repeat the pattern 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 times. Repeat, chain 1, skip 2 chains in the first double crochet, make 1 slip stitch. Row 3 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the first double crochet stitch, in the next double crochet 2 double crochet, 1 chain and skip a chain, and repeat the pattern in the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 chain, skip the chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next double crochet and 2 double crochet, increase in the next stitch. Follow the same pattern around. At the end of row 3 double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 in the last stitch. Repeat the pattern 12 times. Now chain 1, make a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Now repeat and follow the increasing row 3 for the pattern of this blanket or table mat, placemat. You can make it smaller or bigger. Repeat the increasing row. This is the increasing row, 2 chains. We don't count these 2 chain in the same double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. In the same group last stitch, every group last stitch increase and make 2 double crochet. Double crochet in the last stitch. In every group double crochet 1 in every stitch, and in the last stitch each group follow the same pattern. chain 1 and skip the chain. In the next I have 3 stitches in row 3. Repeat 1 double crochet, 2 stitches, 1 in the next stitch, and in the last stitch in the same group, last stitch increase and make 2 double crochet. Now I have 4 stitches in every group. Follow the same pattern. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the increasing row. 1 2 3 4. This is row 4, the increasing row. In row 5, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then repeat and make a chain 1 in every group. Middle between 2 groups, make a chain 1, and every group last stitch increase and make 2 double crochet in every stitch, 2 double crochet in the last stitch. Follow the same work, then slip stitch and repeat the pattern. You can make it smaller or bigger as you want to make. I have done and completed my blanket, placemat or table mat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 row and 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet row 1 inch, 2 double crochet row 1 inch, and the size from middle 8 to 9 inches. Nine inches, 23 centimeter size of the blanket. I have finished and completed a circle. In the last 18 row, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 stitches. I have done and completed from here 18 row. Now I am using green color, making leaves. I am using the same wool, double knit medium weight 4 ply. In the stitch, make a chain 1. We don't count this chain 1. In the same stitch, make a single crochet, chain 1 2 3, 3 chains, and skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make a single crochet. Repeat the pattern, make 3 chains and skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, 1 2 3, 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, next stitch single crochet. Repeat and follow the same work around, then slip stitch in the first single crochet. At the end, make a chain 3, slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now I am making a petals in the circle, chain space. In the circle, start work, make a single crochet, double crochet. In the space, single crochet, double crochet, make a picot, 3 chains. In the double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch and make again a double crochet 1 and 1 single crochet. Follow the same pattern. In every chain space, make a single crochet, double crochet, 1 2 3, 3 chains. In the single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch and the same stitch, make a double crochet and single crochet. Follow the same pattern. In the space, single crochet, double crochet, 3 chains, single crochet stitch, slip stitch, make a picot stitch and double crochet 1 in the same stitch and 1 single crochet. In every space, follow the same pattern as we did here. I have completed a blanket. You can make it smaller or bigger. A green leaves we have done around. Now I will show you flowers. make a loop, make chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 chains, 1 2 skip 2 chains, third chain, make a double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, in the next stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, in the next stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Repeat and continue in each chain. Make double crochet 3 in every stitch, cross till the end. I have completed 3 double crochet stitches, 3 double crochet in every stitch. Cut with a long tail for sewing. Finish here. Okay, fold around the flower. With a needle. Here in the last stitch, stitch here, and in the wrong side, stitch here, and in the middle, flower is ready. In the single crochet stitch here, to sew and join this flower. Stitch here and secure stitches. In the wrong side, stitch and secure flower. Skip the next 2 single crochet. In the next middle of single crochet stitch, sew the second one and then skip 2 stitches. In the next single crochet, sew the second one and then skip 2 single crochet in the next. Sew around the flowers in the blanket. Sew around flowers. Skip 2 single crochet in the next single crochet. Okay friends, rose flowers bouquet blanket ready. You can use this for table mat, placemat. I have done this for table mat. You can use for larger size using a blanket, bouquet blanket. Fold around and wrap it with the ribbon. For more detail and sizes, visit my website, link in the description box. Like and share this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.